Looking for a truly complete daily multivitamin? Meet Nature's Lab Gold One Daily, designed to power your body from the inside out with clinically studied nutrients that support energy, immunity. About Nature's Lab Tart Cherry 500 milligrams, packed with powerful antioxidants and flavonoids to support joint health, inflammation balance, and metabolic function. Made with love in a cGMP certified facility and tested for quality, purity, and potency, Nature's Lab is your trusted partner in daily wellness, metabolism, and more. It all starts with a potent blend of vitamin B complex, CoQ10, and alpha-lipoic acid, fueling your heart, brain, and muscles at the cellular level to promote sustainable energy throughout the day. Formulated with methylated B12, methylcobalamin, for superior absorption, this once-daily multivitamin helps keep your cells functioning at their best. For immune health, Nature's Lab Gold includes vitamin C, D, and E, plus scientifically backed forms of zinc and selenium to help you stay protected year-round. It even supports a healthy metabolism thanks to ChromeMate, a bioavailable form of chromium that helps your body manage fats, carbs, and proteins efficiently. And for extra wellness support, check